Hey guys, this is Quod Bill. We're here out of what's the name of this mill?
I actually don't
It's a
remember.
mill.
It's an abandoned mill.
Somewhere here in Connecticut. We really can't divulge and get into it. It's just,
The less you know, the better.
yeah. So we're gonna do basically urban exploring, just to
See what there's to see.
just check out the history of the old mill, and see what we get out of this. Let's get going. What's this?
I don't know. Looks like maybe furnace. Maybe we can get a little more details on the other side.
It's overgrown like hell.
As far as I know, it's been closed down since at least the 60s, maybe earlier.
Yeah. There's no way of getting in there. It's
like tilting my camera.
Covered. I don't know if there's like a door. Yeah. Oh. That's why I used to have something attached to it.
Ah, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell the broken wall and a hole.
Yeah.
You can see the size of this thing just standing here. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, furnace.
That's part of the structure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it is. And then that giant hole must have been what they was connected to it. Was it go straight up?
Looks like a fuse box.
And how long has it been shut again?
I say at least the 60s. This is according to the internet.
That's another building?
There's another building there. And we got two more over here.
Yeah. There's no trails. No, you gotta go out and around. Seems like it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's just follow the Yellow Brick Road, yeah. Getting in here is an adventure itself that we should have filmed, but
rock slides, mulch slides. That's all you're walking on. Couldn't film it anyways. You had two hands on a tree just to get over here. That's just a giant warehouse.
Oh, that's not part of this.
That's not part of the mill?
That's not.
Oh, what's this? Oh. Am I
undisclosed business?
Yeah. Yeah, we're coming into this wide open building. Oh, got a little room in here.
See, now it's nice and cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fused by all the things that, I guess, and this comes out the other side. Huh.
And that goes over to redacted.
It's like bombed out. Yeah. That's big, but wow. Come back this way, up the top one. A fan.
I wonder if this is the only structure, or is
There's another one on the other side. Smaller one.
Upstairs, but we can't get to that.
There's a way to get up there.
There's no floor.
There's no way. Well, when we climb up, we'll see. Oh shit. What was that?
Squirrel? Raccoon?
Hope it's not a person.
Wind? You getting scared of farts already?
Is this the main?
Well, I don't know. I'm going to be
It's a giant box.
perfectly blunt. I have no idea. Yes, this is a giant box. Storage, maybe? Garage, maybe?
Well, it's got fans, like manufacturing fans.
Yeah. Car parts.
Huh?
No center console?
Uh,
Yeah, I've seen some pictures of this place in Google Maps. There's like cars stored in here. Like people used to use strip cars there.
yeah. Yeah, I see another building right there.
Huh, alright. Alright.
You can, just by walking, you can see the size of this thing.
Yeah, let me get like that. Yeah, downwind shot when we get down here.
Yeah, those are these were good doors. See?
Yeah. Yeah, there's bay doors.
Yeah, see the bumpers.
Yeah, so this was probably a storage delivery, maybe.
Yeah.
That was long. Probably had pallets stacked up all around this. Someone had fire.
Yeah.
You have to admit, a lot of building.
Yeah, we got this one over here. Yeah, this is another one.
Alright.
I just wanted to see with this. You step on that other part of the building. That's a part of a car, you're saying? Oh, it's a caravan.
Fire hazard bag.
Yeah. What the hell did I step on?
It'll be a shorter list of what you don't step on.
Yeah. What's on the glass? I'll go out this way, see what's up there, that part.
Anybody here? Not police.
Other than you gotta step up somewhere.
Yeah, looks like more loading dock. That ladder we go out and get back in.
Is it? Yeah.
I can. Yep.
Over here, this looks like a way.
Yeah, it looks like there's space right there. Guess we go around the foliage.
Is it a step up there?
No.
Oh.
Beer. Why not?
Other than climbing up there, there's no way. Looks like there's no way. So the wall over there.
Yeah, near the wall.
Yeah.
So, I haven't checked that out already. Okay, that was way.
There is?
Yeah. This way. I think that's going to be our thumbnail right there.
Yeah, that, yeah. Should get a, let's take a picture of that.
Yeah, I'll take a picture while we go. The heck is that?
I don't know.
Sounds like a crow, but doesn't sound like a crow.
Yeah, there's no. Oh yeah, up here, right? We just get around the circle. Yeah, we're on the other side of the. We're a step above another, I guess, delivery area.
I'm sorry, I think crow. Or raven.
Yeah.
Anybody in the comments knows the difference between the sounds? The cross between the Chihuahua and...
Oh, Billy, there's nothing up there. We were looking at it was already completely taken down.
Yeah, that it never was to start with. It was just a high ceiling.
Yeah.
It has all the ventilation. And you got a mostly intact garage door over there.
Another garage, yeah. Oh no, it looks like just a wall. No, it's a garage.
Unless if someone broke it open, but
It's just looks like I'm up here or something else.
so anybody who's worked in a mill or a factory, what's this? I don't know. That looks like a car seat.
What's that?
That looks like an old car seat over there.
Yeah.
Caution, keep out. Yeah, it's a Halloween decoration.
It's gotta be a nest over there.
Yeah.
See? He's inside the building.
Okay, now the question arises. Do we go in the building? I don't want to fight a bird.
Oh. Yeah, there's the other one. It's not as long as this one because that one continues on.
Yeah, I'll start going down there. It's a mental preparation because there's always that chance, we're gonna have to fight off a bird.
Yep. Check everything out here.
I don't know. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to get your face more in the shot.
Yep.
How about I use my camera, not yours on that one? My carpet?
No. Let's go look at the other one.
Okay, you going first.
There's no other structures other than these two.
It's looking like no. Over there's our business we can't disclose the name of.
Yeah. Head into the other structure.
That building looks like it's going to be super fun, but at the same time, we're checking out.
Yeah.
Hopefully crow/raven doesn't mean dead body. Flat a big effort.
That looks like something.
Heavy duty steel door or something.
Is that a door? No.
Nah. Maybe. That looks like a latch right there.
Oh, it looks like buttons.
Yeah. Trash compactor?
Oh, yeah. Goes down at the bottom.
I'm not going in there because I'm not coming back out. You say some people already did anyway. So, yeah.
Yeah.
And I got one person telling me to jump.
There's the other structure. I don't know what is this.
That's always good. Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. See, I thought they were like.
Burned out mattress. There's a lot of fire happening over here. So it smells fresh.
I think there's a way to get down to the bottom. There is, yeah. Walk all the way back around again.
Yeah. smells like fresh burn.
Which way should we go? That way or that way? That was easier,
Yeah,
I
it'd
think.
probably be easier to go that way. Now that's the thumbnail right there.
Oh, here.
That shot. Yeah, a little bit of that building, a little bit of that.
How we do it with you? Before we walk away from here.
Watch me drop my phone. Okay. Maybe we keep using cell phone as a gimmick, you know, we can get a sponsorship from Motorola.
Yeah, maybe.
Or Samsung, we use Samsung for the ghost hunting stuff.
Yeah. Oh, the apps.
And, you know, GhostStop. So we can actually make enough money to buy some of this stuff. Unless they want to give it to us stuff for free.
Or even NordVPN.
Link in description. And if you use our affiliate link enough, we'll get some free ghost stuff.
How about NordVPN?
Or you can go to NordVPN.
The link is at the bottom.
Also a link in description.
I don't know if we can get in that way.
I think we gotta go a little further up. I think I saw a path, yeah.
Yeah.
Go up that way, and that comes around.
Ah, see? Wow.
It's all overgrown. Yeah, there's a little footpath going that way. But it's all on how much you want to worry about ticks.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no getting in that
It
way.
doesn't look like there's anything worthwhile. Everything's
No.
getting downward shot anyway.
Other than the trash may be compacted, but you gotta crawl in.
Not really worth a shot.
I'm not walking through that.
Yeah, from a distance over here. That's why they invented Zoom. See, you're walking. See, you walked all the way over. See, now you can see everything. See, now you're gonna come back. Cool, huh? Okay. Come on here.
What's that?
Let's see what's. That's sure way to steal my move.
I don't think there's anything else around here.
No, I think we hit the end of the road here. You got abandoned factory rocks.
Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing else here at all.
Tire.
Huh?
A tire.
Yeah. Alright, oh.
Good question. Do you happen to know if they're like rattlesnakes in Connecticut?
What's that?
Do you happen to know if they're like rattlesnakes in Connecticut?
I don't
Out
know.
of curiosity. I just kind of heard something that sounded like a rattle.
Yeah.
I swear if I get bit by something, I'm pissed. That includes that freaking crow. If it bites me, I'm betting it back. That is a big freaking bird here.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is.
That's the window right there.
What's that?
That's where we were, that window right there.
Yeah.
This is a way down. There's a ladder that goes down. If you feel like...
That's not a ladder. That's just a girder.
That's a pipe.
Yeah. That's just a girder that is not even getting down that.
That's called, yeah.
You're not getting back up other than walking through the mess.
Yeah. Then it goes back into ticks. Yeah. God only knows what else.
This is more walking.
A lot of walking.
Shit's big. It's like forever just to get out of here.
That's how you know you're close to a fire station.
Yeah. Yeah.
Outro where we introed, is that what you're trying to do?
Hey guys, I'm good. I can't even talk. I'll be winded.
Just trying to get the last few shots at the hit the scale of the place.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of building, but there's a lot of building.
It's gonna be shit to keep going. We gotta go all the way around.
Yeah. You don't have to film that part. So for them, we can end it. And for us, we continue suffering.
Yeah.
They just want to kill it over here.
Yeah.
We don't give anything away that might give people a clue.
A clue?
And I'm sorry, you can't fully know where we are.
Alright. It's Quod Bill. You know, we did urban exploration of an abandoned mill or warehouse or
Factory.
factory because of this big smokestack there. And it wasn't too much, but you get to see an old mill that's been left behind. I see you in the next video. Just subscribe, leave comments about it, and
please like.
Yep.
We suffered to get here. Please like it.
Yep. All right.
Bye, people.
Bye.